Hey, you crazy cat and kittens. Isn't it crazy? It's been like a year since our original, the pandemic started. Anyone else watch Tiger King in that time? It's about a year ago since I've watched it. Don't know why I just said that. Reminiscing, I suppose. Okay, but we are doing volume of pyramids and cones today. So normally I do this demonstration in person, but since we are doing a video lesson, we are gonna use our wonderful resource of YouTube. So we're going to look and watch this, okay? Remember, volume is base area times height. Just keep that in mind while we watch this. So we have two shapes here with the same base area. One is a prism and one is a pyramid. Now, how many pyramids will it take to fill up that prism? So we're at 1, 2, 3. So it takes 3 pyramids of the same base area of that prism back there to fill up the entire prism. So does that make sense? So again, one more time, it took 3 pyramids with the same base area to fill up that entire prism back there. Wow. Okay, now we're going to try it with a triangular prism and pyramid. Their base areas are the same. Let's see what happens. So how many of those triangular pyramids will it take to fill up that triangular prism? Okay, there's one. This one isn't as easy to see. 1, 2, 3. Wow, perfect. Yes, again, it took 3 of those triangular pyramids to fill up that triangular prism. Wild. Okay, one more we gotta watch, a cone. So again, they're the same height. They have the same size circle for their base, so that means their radiuses are the same. How many cones will it take to fill up that cylinder? Okay, there's 1. There's 2. I think we're seeing a theme here, aren't we, folks? And there is our third one. So again, it took 3 cones to fill up that cylinder of the same height and base area. Okay, so hopefully our big takeaway from that is when we find volume of pyramids and cones, it's exactly like finding the volume of a prism and cylinder, but in the end we divide by 3. So it's the same lesson we did yesterday, but now we're dividing by our answer by 3 in the end, okay? So it's still base area times height, and then in the end we divide by 3. Okay, maybe it won't show you. Yep. So for a pyramid, base area, big B, times your height of h divided by 3. And then for a cone, since we only have one base shape for our cone, it's pi r squared. Because this right here is the area of a cone, area of a circle times the height of a cone divided by 3. So jot those down and we'll try some examples. All right, so we have a cone here. So if we look at our formula, volume equals base area times height. Our base area is pi r squared. Let's see what we can fill in. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh yeah, TikTok thing, okay. We don't have our radius, but that's okay. We can definitely find it here. So we have this handy dandy right triangle. Our angle's 58, so that's not a special angle to us. This opposite side is 11. We're looking for our adjacent, so now we get to use trig. What trig function uses opposite adjacent? That's tangent. 58 equals 11 over r. So we know we're really going to be taking 11 divided by tangent 58. Okay, when we do that, we find that our radius is about 6.9. So we can plug that in. Pi times 6.9 squared. And then what is the height of our cone? So we want this height that goes from the vertex to the middle of our base, which is 11. So times 11. So let's figure out what that is. So type that into your calculator. And I'm hoping you're getting about 1,645.28-ish. And then since it is a cone, we do indeed divide it by 3 for a grand total of 548.42 inches squared. Wow, amazing. You did it. All right, let's try another one. Find the volume of this triangular pyramid here. Okay, again. Big B, a base area times our height. So our base shape is a triangle, right? So let's find the area of that triangle. So half, I don't like doing it that way, JK. So our base times height, so 15 times 6, all over 2. So that should give us 45 for our base area. Now our height from the vertex to the base is 14. So take 45 times 14, we get 630. Is that my final answer? No, because it's a pyramid and we need to divide by 3. Divide that by 3 and we should get about 210 feet cubed. I think I did squared on the last one. I'm going to go back and check. Cube, you guys, it's volume. What did I do on this one? Oh, why didn't you tell me? That should be cubed. That should be cubed. Okay. Awesome, you guys. Thanks for watching. We will see you in class. Toodaloo.